One.
Hello everybody. Today we are introducing a new robotic kit called wireless gesture control robot. As you can see, this is the box in which this will be delivered to you. The kit contains basically RF receiver, an RF transmitter shield, Arduino board, and an accelerometer. Now let's open the box and see the kit content. Uh, you can see that you have a nicely packed electronic kit which contains your Arduino board and the RF transmitter receiver. Also you get is a set of BO motors with wheels along with a nicely cut small size acrylic chassis which comes in fluorescent colors. You also get a set of mechanical screws and nuts for assembling of your robot. The CD contains the documentation and the video for assembly and connections. Uh, this is basically the kit content. Now let's go through the electronic part individually. We'll be using an Arduino board over here. Now if you look closely, we have used the female headers over here. This is because we are using a shield, so mounting becomes quite easy. We are using an 8 MHz microcontroller over here, which is pre-boot loaded and pre-programmed to work as a gesture control robot. Now there is a jumper setting over here used for power selection. As you can see, the jumper is placed towards the DC jack. This is because we will be requiring the power to be given to the board using a DC jack. Now let's see the receiver RF transmitter shield. Now this is the gesture board shield which is used for the radio transmission. If you can see over here, the transmitter is located over here. Next to the transmitter you see there is a set of female headers. We use this female headers to connect the ADXL335, which is an accelerometer. Now this is an accelerometer board. This board gives you the X, Y and Z coordinates in real time. Now what we'll do is we'll connect this sensor in the header pins so that it becomes connected. Now if you can see closely, the sensor is in parallel with the shield, so this becomes a quietly leveled shield. Now after this is done, all we have to do is we have to connect this sensor to the shield, and this becomes a transmitting RF transmitter bot. Now on the receiving side we will be using this chassis. We have assembled this chassis into a robot with wheels and motors, and we have mounted upon the receiver. Now this receiver, you will see there are PTR connectors over here, and the motor connections are done in this manner. Also you will see a DC pin over here which we will be using for the supply. Now let's look into the assembly of this pot first.